This anti-snoring device can end your snoring overnight. ZQuiet is the easiest way to end your snoring for good, and it will work the first night you try it. Other anti-snoring techniques don't target the root cause, soft tissue falling back in your throat. ZQuiet is ready to use straight out of the box. Simply put it in before you go to bed and enjoy a better night's sleep completely snore-free. ZQuiet is FDA cleared and doctor recommended. It even comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee.
I just didn't expect it to work that quickly and that effectively.
It's cleared by the FDA, it's made in the USA, and it's made with safe medical grade materials.
The ZQuiet though is comfortable, easy to use, and does improve snoring the first night.
So if you want to stop snoring and get the best sleep of your life, get ZQuiet.